What's up everybody, it is Bucky and welcome to the tutorials that you have all been requesting and I'm sure you guys have all been waiting for. We are finally going to begin game development and we are going to be programming our game in Python. So that's why I've been teaching you WX Python and Python core programming language before, but we need to learn one more thing in order to build games, and that's why I'm going to be teaching it in this tutorial. So go ahead into your internet and go to Google and go ahead and type in pygame. This is the Python module that lets you develop games. So go ahead and press enter and click on this first link. It's called pygame.org. And again, this is what's going to allow us to develop games, and that's what I'm going to be teaching you how to do in this series of tutorials. Develop awesome games, first in 2D but eventually in 3D. So anyways, go to downloads right here, and once you click this, you're gonna see a bunch of downloads, probably under Windows unless you're using something else. You probably want to download this latest one right here. It's called Py 2.6. So go ahead and click that and it's gonna give you an MSI, and this is pretty much like an executable. Just once you have this downloaded, just click that MSI and it's gonna run like a wizard, and it's gonna say next, 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 and then it's gonna say finish, and you're good to go. So if you ever installed anything before, then that's gonna be a piece of cake to you. It's not complicated at all. So once you have that downloaded, go ahead and open up your idle right here, and let's see when mine opens. Go ahead, and this is just a test to see if you downloaded it right. Go to import pygame and then go ahead and press enter, and what this is going to do is import pygame for you, but that's going to be blank no matter what unless you get an error. So here's what you need to do to see if it works. Go ahead and print, spell it right, print pygame.ver, and go ahead and press enter, and if you get installed right, then it downloads that version of pygame that you just downloaded. If nothing pops up or you get an error, that means you didn't download it right. But if you get anything at all, like 1.81 release, then you are good to go for your next tutorials, where we will be developing a simple, probably not a game, but the basics to a game. So again, one last time, go to your internet, Google pygame. On the first link, click download, and go ahead and click this pygame 1.81 for Windows 2.6 MSI, and once you download that, you are good to go. So thank you guys for watching this tutorial. Hopefully you installed pygame correctly. If you did, you're ready to move on to the next tutorial. If not, just send me a message and I'll help you out. So again, thank you guys for watching. Can't wait to start developing these games. So don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next tutorial.